Welcome back to this quick update, guys. So in the last video, we were talking about where Bitcoin was and what we were expecting. Now, we had if you look at the thumbnail here, we were at that time, we were around $89,000, and we had a major swing pivot coming in just above us, which is that red line, which we've hit right now. So if you're watching the last video, you get a clear view of what we were looking at. Now, this is going to be a very short video underlying what I'm expecting next to happen. So if we look at what exactly happened, we shot up from our region and took out this high pivot. And also, while doing that, we went into one of our very, very important fair value gaps here. On the side note, I think we were also very close to the, yeah, that's it. We came into the golden pocket. Now, this is a significant resistance. And what we're seeing is strength by the looks of it. So if we want to look at this, we've got a large amount of shorts that entered right at the top. So 3, 4, 6. So it's about 13 million. We had 5 million close. We have a few different closures here. We have 1 million and 2 million. So I would say right now I'm more positioned to we're going to take out more highs again. So instead of this being a failed auction, so a failed auction essentially you come above your highs and then you reject down. This looks like to me it's one of those situations where you take out the highs, you stop a few people out, and then you start to creep up again, and then you take out the highs again, then you find your footing. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm actually expecting a little higher right now in the price. If we want to slap on the volume profile, we can see that a good region to be looking at for this would be around that 92 mark. There's a lot of coinciding levels coming in here, and taking out these highs yet again. So one could draw this as a pivot because there is liquidity being built up right above there. So I would expect this to be taken out again. Okay, so that's my expectation. I'm not in any trades right now, and if you were listening to my last video, you would have heard me say that the valid trade to take. Oh, let me just move that back. The valid trade to take was the breakout out of here, push back down into this region, which was this pivot right here, and then you had a 2%, nearly 3% move up there. If you're in spot positions though, that's perfectly fine. Like myself, I've been relaying that then, so there's nothing to worry about that. But in terms of perpetual trades, yeah, if you didn't take that, then you're not in one right now. So if you're in spot, I'd still hold. I wouldn't take out any trades. And then that would be about it. I wouldn't overcomplicate it. I think it's very simple where we are, and there's nothing much to it. So that's about it. Without further ado, hit the subscribe button, guys. I'll catch you guys later in the next update. So for now, have a good day. This is a short one.